The purpose of this video is to help teachers become familiar with just a few of the many educational resources related to climate science that are available on the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration website. For maximum benefit, you may wish to watch this video on a separate screen or in a separate window while simultaneously accessing the NOAA website. This video will focus on three different types of resources available on the NOAA website: educational collections, climate information, and data resources. To access NOAA educational collections, visit the NOAA Education Resources website at www.education.noaa.gov. At the top of the screen, below the main navigation bar, you will find headers for topics, including ocean and coast, climate, weather and atmosphere, and more. If you hover your mouse cursor over a topic, a drop-down menu will appear listing collections by subtopic. Select a subtopic from the list to access an educational collection. Let's look at an example. I selected Carbon Cycle from the Climate topic drop-down menu to access the Carbon Cycle collection website, which features an overview as well as a menu at the left of the page organizing the contents of the collection by sections. These sections include multimedia, lessons and activities, real-world data, background information, and career profiles. Let's take a look at a sample lesson. I selected Carbon Emissions Lesson from the Lessons and Activities section from the menu to access the lesson page. This page includes various sections for the lesson, including Introduction, Research, Procedure, Tasks, Summary, and Application. The page also features several supplementary resources for the lesson, including an interactive atmospheric data visualization tool. To access NOAA climate resources, visit climate.gov. At the top of the screen, you will find a navigation bar, which can be used to access the various sections of the climate website, including News and Features, Maps and Data, Teaching Climate, and Supporting Decisions, which is a section related to climate policy. Let's look at an example section. I selected Teaching Climate from the navigation bar to access the Teaching Climate section of the climate website, which displays featured and other reviewed resources for teaching about climate and energy. Midway down this web page is another navigation bar for selecting various types of educational resources, including visuals, videos, demonstrations, experiments, and interactive tools. To access NOAA data resources, select Data Resources for Educators from the Special Topics drop-down menu on the NOAA Education Resources website at www.education.noaa.gov. The Data Resources for Educators webpage has tabs for various data resource types and subjects. As an example, I selected the tab for the Climate webpage, which provides summaries and links to various data resources related to climate science. And here is an example of a data resource, a video plotting historical trends in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels. To review, NOAA educational collections can be accessed at www.education.noaa.gov and features lessons and activities, multimedia, and real-world data. NOAA climate information can be accessed at climate.gov and includes data, maps, news, and teaching resources. NOAA data resources for educators can be accessed under special topics on the NOAA Education Resources website and includes classroom-ready, historical, and visualization data. For more information on the NOAA Education Resources website, visit www.education.noaa.gov/about.html.